Are you looking to extend your Samsung phone's battery life? Here are 10 advanced tips you can't miss. Let's begin. Reset your battery starts. To do that, open up your dialer, type *#9900#. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, find the battery stats reset option. Just tap on it. That's it. Tip 2. Turn off stay awake mode. To do that, go to the settings, then scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on the developer option. Here you will find the stay awake mode. Simply toggle it off. Tip 3. Turn off auto update system. Back again to the developer option. Now scroll down again. Find the auto update system. Here it is. Make sure to turn it off. Tip 4. Turn off the show refresh rate. Now from the developer option, scroll down, find the show refresh rate, and then turn it off. Under it, you will find the allow screen overlays on setting option. Make sure to toggle it off. Allow screen overlays on settings allows apps that can display over other apps to overlay settings screen. Often this causes a battery drain also. Tip 5. Turn on Wi-Fi scan throttling. From the developer option, you will find the Wi-Fi scan throttling. You have to turn it on. Wi-Fi scan throttling reduces battery drain and improves network performance. Tip 6. Turn off mobile data always active. Again in the developer option, scroll down to find the mobile data always active. Make sure to turn it off. Turn off the don't keep activities option. While in the developer option, scroll down a little bit. Find the don't keep activities option. Here it is. Now simply turn it off. Tip 8. Put unused apps to sleep. Tip 8. Put unused apps to sleep. To do that, go to the settings page again. Scroll down a bit. After that, tap on battery and then tap on background usage limits. Here you can see the put unused apps to sleep option. Make sure to turn it on. After that, tap on the 3 dots from here. Now tap on adaptive battery. Turn this mode on. Tip 9. Turn on power saving and protect battery mode. Now open up the settings again. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on battery again. From here, just make sure to turn on the power saving mode and protect battery mode. Tip 10. Check display settings. Go to the settings once again. After that, tap on display. From here, make sure to turn on adaptive brightness. After that, scroll down to the bottom. Next, tap on the screensaver. Now select none. That is all, guys. Hope you find this video useful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.